manufacturing of biodegradable compostable covers, and we are supplying to majorly to all the states of India. And these covers are completely biodegradable in 6 months, and they take hardly like 180 days to degrade into the soil. So once the degradation is completed, they become as a plant fertilizer. So on the product line, what we are currently supplying are, we have carry bags, garbage, vegetable packing covers, and then shoe covers and head caps. And majorly the carry bags and the vegetable packing covers and then the garbage are considered in